All right, guys, in this short, we're going to be talking a little bit about delta absorption when delta is not really going the same direction as price. So for today, during the entire pre-market period, we had delta pretty much uptrending the entire time, even though price was down from a high of 60.30 all the way down to 59.20, over 100 points. Price was going down, even though delta was going up the entire time. So obviously, you need to understand what delta is. Delta is showing you the difference between the market buyers and the market sellers at any given point. So obviously, in today's case, we would be seeing a very large influx of market buyers compared to market sellers. Now, if we have that many market buyers, why is price not going up? They can still push the market down with limit sells and a little bit of market sells, right? So in a market like this, you basically would say that all of this bullish delta that we're seeing is being absorbed. If they weren't being absorbed, price would be following that delta. Now, typically when you see an absorption like this, a couple things can happen. If the delta is continuously going against price, the longer that is happening, the more likely price is going to push in that direction and follow delta. Typically, delta wins that battle. Okay, so if price continuously goes down, but delta continuously goes up, eventually price is going to go up. And today is a great example of that. Price finally found a bottom around 10 o'clock to 10:30, and now we are following delta. The other thing that can happen is you want to watch the delta, and if it starts to give up that trend and it starts to follow the price, so like let's say around like 10 to 10:30 today, if delta started nuking and it lost that delta average, you start to see a bit of a squeeze. And what I mean by squeeze is very fast momentum, very fast trading against that prevailing delta. So in this case, the prevailing delta was bullish for most of the day. So that squeeze would be a very quick movement in the opposite direction. All of that bullish delta that was opening their trades would now have to close their trade because the price is going against them, which then creates more sell pressure, which then creates faster movement to the downside. Okay.